Going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm gonna be putting a block heater cord in the new 2024 T770 Bobcat. It's real easy compared to the other one I did on the T650, and the part is about $100. So this winter when it gets cold, when I plug it in, it should be a lot better on it. So I'll show you guys how to do it. So just come around here to the back, open the tailgate. Make sure it's cold because it'll probably burn your hands if your engine's hot. But you're looking like right here to the left of the oil. Here's the oil filter. And then you look right in here, there's this rubber plug. You just pull this plug out like that. And this thing is a dry socket heater. So I gotta get that plug out of there. It fell down in there. But that thing literally just clips in there. So I'm gonna go get it and show you. All right, so that's the part number for this kit right there. Fish that little plug out. Comes with the instructions. So basically you take this off, and then this clip faces down. Get a good camera angle. Alright, so this faces down, this metal clip. Literally just gotta drop this in there. Sure, I might put the plug. Yeah, I'll put this plug on first. That's literally it. That's clipped in place. Ain't got to worry about draining any coolant off or threading anything into the block or taking out a freeze plug. So let's see where this thing says the zip tie. Alright, so I took a minute playing with this cord, figuring out where I wanted to route mine. So this is how I ended up and did it. I put the little clip on the edge of that. That way it's not touching anything there. And then I put the two big zip ties on this fuel line there. So it's not touching anything up here. So that should be a pretty good spot. And then I can run my extension cord right there.